Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Photoroom on PC and laptop. So for that, the first step is to download an Android emulator. So BlueStacks is one of the Android emulator that you can use. So here first you have to go to the BlueStacks website, and then you have to click on the download button and then download the BlueStacks app player. So here I have already downloaded the BlueStacks app player, and once you do that, all you have to do is search for a Photoroom on the search bar that you have been provided. So here you have to search for the Photoroom application, and here you can see this is our application. And now what you have to do is just click on download on BlueStacks app player. So here it will take some time to download and install this application on your PC. Alright, so after some time you'll have this option. Just click on this option over here, and then it will redirect you to the sign in to your Google account. So after some time you will be able to use the Photoroom application. So as you can see, you are redirected to the Google Play sign in option. So you have to sign in with your Google account over here, and once you do that, you'll be able to use Photoroom application on your PC and laptop as well. So that's it. That was the method that you can use to download and install Photoroom on PC and laptop. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.